Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss that given relation is in second normal form or not. Right? First of all, we have to understand the conditions which a table must have hold to be in second normal form. So the conditions are, first condition is that table must be in first normal form. And second condition is there should be no partial dependency in any of the functional dependency. If these two conditions are fulfilled by a table, then table will definitely be in second normal form. Right? So let's talk about first condition, that is first normal form. इस पे हम पहले भी डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं कि अगर कोई रिलेशन गिवन है तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म में होगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो ER डायग्राम से डिराइव होता है तो वो फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म में होता ही होता है. Now we have to check for second normal form, partial dependency. So now what is partial dependency? As the name is describing itself, that partially dependent attributes, we have to find out the attributes which are partially dependent. Dependent on what? Partially dependent on the part of a candidate key, right? So first of all, we have to find out the candidate key here because candidate key is not given. So how to find out candidate key? Let's check. We have to consider all attributes like roll number, CID and credit. With the help of these attributes, we can find out the super key. Means combining all these three attributes, we can find out all the attributes. So this is the super key. Now we have to remove those attributes which are extra. Like if we talk about credit, so you can see with the help of CID we can find out credit. So we can remove credit here, right? We can remove credit. With the help of roll number CID we can also find out credit. So there is no need to write credit in this key. So roll number and CID, with the help of these two attributes we can find out all three attributes. So roll number and CID is a super key. And if roll number and CID is a super key, now we'll check for candidate key, that this key is a candidate key also or not, right? So for that we have to check the proper subset of super key. Here the proper subset of super key is roll number and CID. So we have to find out the closure of roll number. So according to given functional dependency, you can see alone roll number is not given. So we cannot find any other attribute except roll number, right? So with the help of roll number, we can only find out roll number. So this will definitely not a super key. Now we have to check CID closure. This was the roll number closure. CID closure. Okay, let's check functional dependency. This is not alone CID. And second functional dependency, with this we can find out credit, right? So credit will be here. And due to reflexivity property we can find out CID also. Still we are not finding roll number. So again CID is also not a super key, right? So alone roll number and CID, no one is a super key. That is why roll number and CID will definitely a candidate key, right? इस तरह से हम कैंडिडेट की फाइंड आउट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर कैंडिडेट की आ गई रोल नंबर एंड CID. अब फर्दर इसमें कैंडिडेट की होगी या नहीं ये भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. अगर रोल नंबर और CID में कोई भी एक एट्रीब्यूट राइट हैंड साइड में प्रेजेंट है, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फर्दर चेक फॉर कैंडिडेट की, और अगर नहीं प्रेजेंट है इट मीन्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही एक कैंडिडेट की होगी। लेट्स चेक, क्या रोल नंबर किसी राइट हैंड साइड में है? नहीं है। क्या CID एट्रीब्यूट किसी राइट हैंड साइड में है? नहीं है। इट मीन्स इसके अलावा, रोल नंबर CID के अलावा और कोई भी कैंडिडेट की इसमें प्रेजेंट नहीं होगी। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमने कैंडिडेट की फाइंड आउट कर ली, तो ये हमारी कैंडिडेट की आ गई। अब हम बात करते हैं पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी की। सी, फर्स्ट फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी। यहाँ पर देखिए कैंडिडेट की क्या है? रोल नंबर एंड CID। सो द प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट्स आर रोल नंबर एंड CID एंड नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट क्रेडिट। पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी कैसे चेक करते हैं? इफ नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन a part of candidate key, then there will be a partial dependency, right? तो यहाँ पर देखिए credit is dependent on complete candidate key, so there is no partial dependency. ठीक है, this functional dependency is free from partial dependency. This is in second NF, but let's check about second partial dependency, sorry, functional dependency. Here, credit is a non-prime attribute and it is dependent on CID. CID is the proper subset of candidate key, or you can say it is a part of the candidate key. And if non-prime attribute is dependent on a part of a candidate key, then this is a partial dependency, right? So in this functional dependency, the partial dependency is existing. That is why this complete table is not in second normal form. Correct? Not in second normal form. So this table is in first normal form only. Right? This is all about second normal form. Thank you.